The first missing present that we need to find.
Roller skates with sparkly wheels.
Tell me when you see the roller skates. There they are! The roller skates are in the palm tree. Oh, I just missed them.
We haven't reached them yet. The next missing presents that we need to find.
A squeaky rubber cactus. A tiny twirling toy
A
plane.
big golden crayon.
And roller skates stuck in a palm tree. Whoa!
The next missing present that we need to find. A glowing toy train engine. Do you see anything that glows? In here? Aha! A glowing toy train engine.
What else? A mega bouncing beach ball.
A super stripy surfboard.
One fuzzy piggy.
About time ducky. One squeezy alien kitty.
How's it going?
A red robot.
Garbage truck.
A helicopter hat.
And roller skates stuck in a palm tree. Woohoo! I got 'em!
Woo!
Want to see what I'm making for the dollhouse?
Oh, yeah.
You know it.
Ta-da!
Ooh, what is it?
It's a Christmas kitty cat surprise box tower. Each day leading up to Christmas, you get to open up one box and you get a special surprise inside.
I'm all about surprises.
I still need to make the 3 last boxes to finish the tower. Do you want to help me make them?
Let's do it.
Oh, yeah.
Yay! Then let's get crafting. You can decorate your boxes however you want. Paint, paper, scissors, pom-poms, cotton balls, gems, or snowflakes. And don't forget your trusty glue. I'm gonna paint mine with glittery candy cane stripes.
I'm gonna use some sparkly snowflakes on mine.
I've got a great idea for mine. A nice red hat and a cotton ball beard. Can you guess who I'm making? It's Santa Kitty.
Don't forget to add your kitty face. A mouth, eyes, and ears. I'm gonna use a sparkly pink heart jewel nose. Boop, boop.
Boop. Boop. Meow, meow, meow. Meowy Christmas.
Now we can pick a special surprise to put inside. I'm gonna pick this cute little dino.
I like the sea glass heart. In you go.
Santa Kitty brings presents, and this one's gonna have a yummy surprise inside.
Oh, that's a good one.
Okay, let's stack them up.
With Santa Kitty on the tippity top.
Wow, it's fantastic.
It kind of looks like a Christmas tree.
Our friends are gonna be so surprised. I can't wait to see how you decorate yours. Meowy Christmas, everybody!